The human ovum, or ova in plural, is an integral part of the reproductive system, with many intriguing aspects. Finite number. Unlike men, who produce sperm throughout their lives, women are born with all the ova they'll ever have, around 1 to 2 million. Natural decline. By the time a woman reaches puberty, the number of ova drops to about 4, and by menopause, virtually none remain. One a month. Typically, only one ovum is released during each menstrual cycle. Largest human cell. The human ovum is the largest cell in the body, measuring about 0.1 millimeter in diameter. It's just about visible to the naked eye. Short lifespan. Post-release. Once released, an ovum is viable and can be fertilized for only about 12 to 24 hours. Half the chromosomes. Ova contain half the number of chromosomes of regular cells, just 23. When it joins with a sperm which also has 23 chromosomes, the resulting embryo has the full 46 chromosomes. X chromosome carrier. All ova carry an X chromosome. The sperm determines the sex of the baby, bringing either an X for female or Y for male chromosome. Matured in phases. Ova begin maturation before a woman's birth, but pause in their development. They resume maturation during menstrual cycles. Complex journey. If an ovum is fertilized, it begins a complex journey from the fallopian tube to the uterus, where it may implant and develop into a fetus. Energy store. The cytoplasm of the ovum contains essential nutrients to nourish the cell until the embryo can implant in the uterus and receive nutrients from the mother. Barrier to entry. Once a single sperm successfully penetrates the ovum's outer layer, a chemical change prevents other sperm from entering. Role in twins. Identical twins occur when a single fertilized ovum splits. Fraternal twins occur from the fertilization of two separate ova. Egg freezing. Women can opt to freeze their ova, a procedure known as oocyte cryopreservation, to potentially extend their reproductive years. External factors. Lifestyle, environmental factors, and age can impact the quality and quantity of ova. Menstrual lifespan. On average, a woman will release around 4,005,000 mature ova across her menstrual life. Ovarian reserve tests. Blood tests measuring anti-Müllerian hormone and levels can provide insight into the number of remaining ova. Ovulation induction. Some fertility treatments involve stimulating the ovaries to release multiple ova to increase the chances of pregnancy. Polycystic ovarian syndrome. PCOS. Women with PCOS may have more follicles, immature ova, visible on their ovaries, but these often don't mature or get released properly. First ovum. The first ovum was seen by scientists in 1827, and since then, our understanding of the female reproductive system has grown exponentially. Historical views. In ancient times, the ovum was unknown. It wasn't until the invention of the microscope and further scientific study that ova were identified and understood in human reproduction. Happy watching!